Nepal's popular movement, April 2006. Restored democracy, hit the sparking. A constitutional monarchy with King Birendra as head got assassinated 2001 and the world was shocked as hell. His brother Gainandra crowned himself the king, removed democracy, prime ministers, everything. Now the people couldn't take that, they called for democracy back. 7 political parties united a common attack. Hit the sparking, it's the 7-party alliance. Kathmandu's on a strike, 5 lakh people wanna fight. Hit the sparking, it's the 7-party alliance. April 24, 2006 is the last day you can be the king. Hit the sparking, 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 hit the sparking. Let's do it again. You're gonna like sharing and following our channel.